Hi, my name is Wilhelmina Job, and I'm one of the co-founders of Hellosolar Technology in Ethiopia. This is our second submission in the context of the Solar X Challenge. So let's talk about Hellosolar. Hellosolar was born from a Senegalese Pan-Africanist with a love for technology and great talent in deploying innovative business models across Africa. The thinkers behind Hello Solar acknowledge the fact that green energies are the baseline for sustainable development in rural communities in Africa. They then put their creativity in business together and selected the Ethiopian market for its newness and its potential. Hello Solar is seeking to bring in financial and technological innovation in Ethiopia to accelerate the deployment of solar applications, specifically in rural areas, and decrease the use of fuel and biomass. With a population of about 100 million people, the Ethiopian government is really on a time and resource constraint to provide reliable energy to fuel the country's economy. And so it has really called on the private sector to participate in its ambitious national electrification program. 75% of Ethiopia is made of rural communities, and only one-third of those communities have access to modern energy sources, meaning that there is a huge market potential. However, the very limited purchase power of these communities, together with complex business environments, the dollar shortage in Ethiopia, and political changes are really intensely hindering the penetration of those modern energy services, which explains the low adoption rates. So really high upfront costs and complex last mile distribution are the two main issues that Hello Solar is tackling to enable access to solar energy services in those markets. Hello Solar was the first commercially active pay-go solar service provider in Ethiopia. Simply put, we assemble and distribute different types of solar systems with a pay-go financing model. This model has been proven before in other countries, but it is in its infancy in Ethiopia due to different reasons, such as the low penetration of mobile money services. Hellosolar was able to set up shop in 5 regions of Ethiopia and create a customer base of 13,000 families due to a couple of features that are unique to the companies. First, Hellosolar has a very flexible approach to business, meaning that, for example, to improve last mile distribution, the company has delivered services through partnerships with organizations such as rural SMEs, international aid, and refugee camps. Also, attractive warranty policies, after-sales services, and the pay-go sales approach breaks the barrier of high upfront costs for the beneficiaries and allow the company to adapt to its target customers. Hello Solar leads customer-centric operations, which means the delivery of services is made in a way that is simple, informative, and accessible to the customer. During sales, the prospective client will receive detailed information on the services provided and the payment plans available. If the customer agrees on buying a specific service, the agent registers the customer on the Hello Solar client management platform using an app on a simple smartphone. They will then test the sold system and provide further usage information and best practice tips. Our star products are mid-size solar home system offering light and charging capabilities. They are easy to install and maintain and are adapted to farmhouses. Through the pay-go sales model, the system can be paid over 1 year in monthly installments. All systems have strict quality standards demonstrated by a warranty, and all Hello Solar agents are locals from the communities where they operate. This, together with our call center, creates close contact points for the customer with the company. Finally, the client signs the contract and pays. The system is ready to use. Through the experience we acquired, Hello Solar is more than ever convinced of the need for these off-grid energy solutions and their incredible impact on the communities. Hello Solar is currently working on its second pilot on the distribution of pay-go productive use systems, and we are committed to bringing inventive and adapted energy solutions to the communities by diversifying our services and creating new market pockets through improved financing and creative partnerships. We plan to stay at the forefront of the race toward the 7th Sustainable Development Goal in Ethiopia. Thank you.